contact should be always your toes or your feet, hands, not the elbow, not the knees, not the thigh. Okay, it should be 4. Okay, so first thing you're going to do is you mobilize. And then we're going to use the protect wrists. So meaning at one wrist. Okay, as I together. Wrist line. Okay, so we're going to do activation. Okay, still a warm-up. So first movement is, we call it twist. So knees on the floor, feet should be hip width apart. Hip width apart. And then switch. Okay, and then for the next one, feet. It's okay if you lift like this one, as long as you lift away from the ground. Okay, ready, set twist. And left. Right arm. Again, right arm. Right arm. Activation. Left arm. Right foot. Left. Okay, and then down. So, check out the way you check your floor. Set knees, no. Right arm, left leg. That's good. Switch. Switch again. Hip width. Not glove side, hip width. And then your arms facing at the back. And then we're going to do the traction. Chest out, chin up. Look at the right side. And then move your hips a bit. Looking forward. And then do the press to the shoulders. Lift your hips up. Like 1 inch away from the floor. That's good. Hold it for a few seconds at the traction. Chin up. Breathe. Hold for a few seconds, 5 seconds. 2. And down. Okay, stop. Okay, so for the next movement, we're gonna do is lift. Okay, right arm, left arm, right leg, left leg. Okay, set. Drop. Shoulder width apart. Arms are arms. The contact should be your arms, not your elbow, elbow. Not the elbow, arms, arms. Yeah, hands. I mean hands. Okay, what you're going to do is to lift your knees up like 1 inch away from the floor. 1 inch. Open your legs a bit. Your knees should be open. Lift. This is what we call the loaded beast position. Alright? Wait, when it's done first, Okay, now then this. Slow. Touch. Rotate. And then return.